Hi, my name is Martha, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about La Rose Derma before actually buying the product. I also have really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about La Rose Derma cream is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is La Rose Derma, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. La Rose Derma Age Defying Cream is an intensive skincare cream that has been formulated with ingredients that are clinically proven to boost collagen synthesis, increase hydration, restore elasticity and correct skin tone and texture. This results in an instant reduction of visible signs of aging such as wrinkles, fine lines, dark spots and sagging skin. What makes La Rose Derma Age Defying Cream unique is its triple-action formula that offers holistic skincare by repairing skin damage, improving skin health and appearance and boosting skin immunity for protection. The application of the cream is very simple and in just 3 steps. Step 1. Wash your face with a gentle yet effective cleaner for deep exfoliation that improves absorption. Step 2. Apply a pea-sized amount of La Rose Derma Age Defying Cream and massage across the face in a smooth circular motion. Step 3. Allow the cream to be completely absorbed before using any other products. For best results, use twice daily. Thousands of women have already had incredible results with La Rose Derma. I invite you to see some real testimonials on the official product page. Do not lose more money with expensive procedures and products that do not give any results. Make a test with La Rose Derma and see the fastest and easiest results of your life. Remember that buying on the official website below, you will have 30 days to use La Rose Derma 100% safely, without risks. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and if you still have questions, the best place to understand more about is on the official page. Click the link below.